Here is the vocabulary quiz sentences for Lesson 8. The first word is conduct. And this is a verb or an action. And to conduct is to behave in a specific way. He conducted himself with polite manners. And the second one, fulfill, it's also a verb. It's to bring to completion or reality. I guess I have a spelling error there, sorry. To achieve. So, one of the sentences would be, I fulfilled a dream of mine by visiting Europe. So I'm bringing it to completion, or I'm bringing it to reality by actually my dream by visiting Europe. I can fulfill my tasks. So if you think about it, I can achieve my tasks or complete my tasks when I make a list. The third one, safely. This is an adverb, and I talked in my video about how adverbs lots of times end with an ly. So it's modifying the verb, describing the verb. Safely is secure from harm, risk, or danger. So I can drive safely. So drive is the verb here. And how am I driving? Or it would be safely. So it's explaining, describing how that verb is being done. I can drive safely if I follow the traffic laws. Okay. Resource. And this week we're talking about resources. It's a stock of materials, money, other assets used in order to function effectively. One of the assignments this week talks about all the resources that are on the internet to help you learn English. So I use many resources when writing my research paper. When you write research papers, you refer to a lot of articles, books, and those are your resources. It's the stock of information that you have. So, make sense. This is kind of it's a phrasal verb. It's one that you may have heard before. It's not used a lot. It's a phrase that may not be used in your language, so when you translate it. But in English, people say this a lot. To have clear meaning or easy to understand. Lots of times I might write an email to you and explain something, and at the end say, does this make sense? That means, is this clear? Does it have clear understanding? Here's a sentence. The story didn't make sense until he explained the words I did not know. So sometimes you could say, that doesn't make sense, and it's because maybe there are some vocabulary words you don't know. My husband studies, he's the medical field, and there's a lot of terms or phrases or sentences he uses that just don't make sense to me because it's a different language than I'm used to. So there is our last word for Lesson 8's sentences.